Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Tlchain. Now Tlchain just got listed today on CoinGecko. Right now they're up 5.7%, sitting at about $4.81 per token. And this is a coin, sorry, not a token. This is on their own chain, obviously. TLC is the ticker symbol for this coin. We're going to go over the information on this coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. So, how do you get the TLC coin? Well, you can get it off a central exchange called Vindax, V-I-N-D-A-X. So you can just go to the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, download Vindax or get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search TLC, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the coin. It is that easy. So on CoinGecko now, you can find the price chart. You can find their block explorer, their webpage, which is tlchain.network. Actually, they have a BSC contract address as well on here. So it looks like this is, it looks like maybe they have a coin and a token, because their own block explorer would be their own coin there, and then the BSC scan one would be the token. It looks like, anyways. Now I wonder if I could see their BSC scan on here. Oh, looks like it's cross-chain as well. They have Elrond, Phantom, Polygon, Avalanche. So this is a cross-chain token as well as a coin. So yeah, all sorts of cool stuff here on CoinMarketCap. You can find all those contract addresses for AVAX, Matic, Phantom, etc., Elrond. Their Twitter and Discord are listed on here, Instagram, blog articles, and Facebook, all sorts of socials. And yeah, so if you head over to their official webpage, tlchain.network, that's where you're going to find all the information. They also offer staking on here. I could see you could stake your coins or tokens on here. You could log in and create an account on their webpage. There's support, blog, articles, ecosystem information, all sorts of stuff on here. So it says about Tlchain Network, future-ready technology for everyone. Tlchain is to be a blockchain choice for artificial intelligence, economic growth, big data, biorisk, and recovery from catastrophe. Tlchain is cross-chain ready. So that's what I was just talking about. It's all on all sorts of different blockchains with different contract addresses. So it says facts, powerful new features for solving challenges. With our collaborative efforts across multiple time zones and cross-functional teams, we help the world move toward a profitable future. Currently, we have offices in Abu Dhabi, Bucharest, Gibraltar, and Dubai, and this is only the beginning, so just imagine. So far they have, it says $100 million in curated assets, 4,000 plus SQM of office space around the world. I'm assuming that's square meters and not square miles. This is a very weird webpage, the way stuff pops up. It's some of the stuff for some reason is not available. I don't know why, but they need to fix their webpage here, because it looks like stuff is popping up, but it's like after I scroll past it. So it's like somebody needs to fix this on their page here. It says it follows successful testnet results with more than 20 nodes in several countries, running at extremely high speeds of up to 100,000 transactions per second. A key goal of Tlchain is to achieve global scalability for DeFi, Metaverse, and Web3 markets. Tlchain standard token, TL20, so that's its own blockchain, is on the TL20 chain. Embedded in protocol, fast and inexpensive to mint and transfer FT, SFT, and NFTs. Tlchain on the red carpet. Discover more. So you can click on Discover More. It'll talk more about that. Now, boosting the world with intelligent blockchain solutions. You can mint, stake, swap, lend, borrow, build, level up with Metaverse and NFTs. A full suite, decentralized, and multi-chain DeFi platform with a foundation built on Tlchain, an entire ecosystem designed for the future. We build infrastructure for the future. Keeping things simple is one of the aims of the entire 50-plus team. We don't like red flags. We love transparency, and we make sure to bring clarifications when necessary. So there's different papers you can click on. There's a team paper, tokenomics section, full white paper. It says, and this is only just the beginning. Just imagine a collection of digital applications or satellite projects built on the Tlchain infrastructure and intended to contribute to the development of the ecosystem, a world powered by technology. We are committed to building a more decentralized and smarter future, a world powered by technology defined by millions of dreams and empowering millions of people around the globe is what we aim to create. With many others in the crypto industry, we are developing a decentralized infrastructure layer that connects people one-to-one around the world, form autonomous and purposeful communities, and give them tools to achieve their goals. And that is a quote from the CEO, Samir Fatum. So this is has flexible deployment, on-chain incentives, friendly for business, and seamless interoperability. Powerful new features for solving challenges. So they prioritize security. There's governance, so voting rights for holders. Extremely scalable. It's got lightning fast speeds, a decentralized network, interoperability, and they have the Tlchain official wallet as well. You could build with Tlchain. Lasting change takes Tlchain values. So Tlchain supporters are invited to take part in the TL Squad, a program aimed at assisting them in contributing to the ecosystem and working with the core team. The ecosystem needs your skills, whether they are in community management, content creation, social media, events, technical support, or anything else. So if you're interested in that, you can contact them. Check out their blogs, frequently asked questions, subscribe to a newsletter, and then all sorts of links at the bottom of their page. Check it out, tlchain.network, and this coin just got listed on CoinGecko just today, so check it out on there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this coin? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.